Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to report profit and loss statement in the Form 1065 partnership tax return. So guys, we know that page 1 means this page reports the income and deduction of the partnership. The purpose of this section is to calculate the operating ordinary business income or loss for the tax year. Details about the income and expenses will come from the profit and loss account statement. So guys, I have an Excel which shows the profit and loss account details, income and expenses of a partnership. So we will report the exact amounts in our software Drake so that you have a better idea how to report it. So this is our software Drake and we are going to report the entire Excel for profit and loss account statement. So we have gross income and receipt, that is $100,000, and we have other income of $30,000. Now we'll go to deduction part. Here we will report the deduction amounts as per our Excel. In the accounting segment, we have $5,000. For advertisement is $7,000. Now bank charges $2,500. Dues and subscription $4,500. Training fuel $6,000. Feed $700. Cleaning charges $1,200. Professional fees $25,000. Telephone charges $10,000. Means $6,000. As we know, it is up to 50% limit. Office expense $1,500. Repair maintenance $7,500. Software $20,000. Supplies $5,000. License fees $15,000. Utilities $2,000. So guys, have a look. $1065 page 1. Total income is 1,30,000. Total expenses or total deduction is $119,400. And the ordinary business income comes to $10,600. You can have a statement. Look everything what I have. This is all about the deduction part, accounting, advertising, everything here what I have reported in the deduction section. This is the other income. Non-deductible expenses schedule K line 18C is 3,000. 50% of 6,000 comes to 3,000. Guys, you can report the cost of goods sold as well if you have the information. Say cost of goods sold. You do not know the inventory at the beginning of the year, but you know the purchase done in this year, say $5,000 of product. Now go to 1065 page 1. Total gross receipts minus the cost of goods sold, you will get gross profit, and that is 95,000. Total income comes to 1,25,000, and ordinary business comes to $5,600. Now come to 1065. Whatever ordinary business income of page 1 line 28, it will come to schedule K line 1, $5,600. See, this is non-deductible expenses, which is the meal expenses, which was 6,000. 50% of the 6,000 comes to 3,000. See, net income or loss combined schedule K, it also comes to 5,600. Individual active $5,600. So this is how we report income and loss statement in form 1065. Let's have a quick look what I have already reported. So the income you need to report here. In form 1065 income section, gross receipt or sales $100,000. 30,000 is the other income. Now come to deduction part. You will receive a profit and loss account statement where all the deduction amounts will be provided there. I have just reported according to the Excel worksheet and reported here. Now also the cost of goods sold. This is as we all know, cost of goods sold is there is a formula to calculate the cost of goods sold, like opening stock plus purchase plus direct expenses minus closing stock. Since I do not have the information of opening stock and also the closing stock of the year, but I have assumed the purchase made during the tax year was $5,000. So I have done accordingly that, and after reporting that, my gross profit reduces by $5,000, and also my ordinary income reduces by $5,000 since I have made the change in the form of cost of goods sold. So guys, in this way you have you can report the profit and loss statement. Hope you have understood. Goodbye.